Well, hi y'all. Welcome to my kitchen. Well, we're going to do some baking today. We're going to bake a banana nut cake today. Well, it could be a banana cake if you want. I may put some nuts in it. I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to do something with it. But it's going to be a banana cake for sure to start off with. But anyway, I'm going to carry y'all along with me, and we're going to throw it together. Alright, first of all, we're going to use a box cake. Any box cake you want to use, it don't matter. I'm going to use this Pillsbury Moistened Supreme Golden Cake. This here. That's what I got on hand, and that's what I'm going to use. So just whatever y'all got on hand. I just want to do something easy today. We're going to put this in. And we're going to put a half a teaspoon of cinnamon and a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. So let's get this going. That's my nutmeg. And some ground cinnamon. It says a teaspoon of baking soda. And my baking soda. Then it says a fourth a teaspoon of salt. We got that in. I'm going to incorporate that. I'll mix that together. And it says 2 eggs. We're going to crack our eggs. Got 1. Two. And it says we gotta have a cup of milk. And my cup of milk. Okay. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna get that out. Okay. Then it says add oil, but you know I'm not going to add oil. I'm going to use applesauce. And then we're going to add the bananas. I'm going to mix the bananas up, but let me get the applesauce going. You know how I do my applesauce. Cups of applesauce here. I don't use oil. But if y'all want to use oil, you go right ahead. I just ain't going to use no oil. Got my bananas here. I'll move this over so I can mash up these ripe bananas. I got 3 ripe bananas. I always take a fork and mash them up real good. It's up to you how you mash them, if you want them mashed real good or if you don't want them mashed real good. That's just your preference. Alright. Put this back over here. Now, I'm going to add some banana flavor to it. That's what I want. And y'all know I don't measure ice. And put it in the refrigerator for a little bit, let it chill down a little bit longer. Then I'll beat it a little bit longer. Okay, it's got a peak. Okay, y'all, here is a piece for my husband, and here's a piece for me, and here's what it looks like. Don't it look good? Alright, let's try. I didn't want a very big piece because I'm fixing to cook supper, and I don't want to spoil my appetite. So, would y'all like a bite? Tastes just like banana. It's so moist. Moist and soft. That is so good. Y'all. I'm gonna have another bite. My goodness, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Thank y'all for coming along with me in my kitchen and making this cake. And I hope y'all will try it. Tell me how y'all make y'all's banana cake. There is thousands of ways of making banana cakes. It's just a simple way to make it. I'll leave it in the description so that y'all can try it. But tell me how y'all do y'all's. Anyhow, as always, I thank y'all so much for coming along with me. And y'all have a blessed day. And thank you for being my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to me. Share my videos. Give me a thumbs up. And God bless y'all. I love you.